Hi guys, this is Paula Ram helping you create the beautiful life you were made for. And one big problem of us moms is that we are busy and our mornings can be crazed and stressful. Can you relate? Are your mornings crazy and stressful as you're trying to get everybody ready and out the door for the day or on with your school day if you homeschool? The last thing you want to do is be messing with your hair. It's such a time waste. And if you have hair like mine, it's frizzy, it's thick and frizzy, and if I, put product on it and straightened it and curled it and all that, it would take forever, and I really don't have time for that. I don't think you have time for that either if you're a busy mom like me. So I'm going to be doing a video series on simple, easy hairstyles for busy moms like we are. Okay, the first one I'm going to do is basically my go-to hairstyle. That is the French twist. This is basically my mom uniform I wear just about every day because it's simple, it's easy, it looks like you spent more time on it than you actually did, but it's really simple, easy, comfortable. Okay, so that's what I'm going to show you today. Okay, first you take all your hair in a ponytail in the back and then just start twisting it up, and then you tuck it under. So all the ends are in. And if there's some out, that's okay because messy's in style, right? Then you take the pin of your flexi, go on one side of the twist, go along the scalp, come out, and hook it right there. And there it's secure, it's comfortable, it's there all day, you'll forget it's there, and it just took you seconds. It took you seconds to do your hair. So now you can go on to more important things in your day, taking care of your family. So I can't wait to see your French twists, and as you go on, create the beautiful life you were made for.